Upon receiving the product, inspect its appearance to confirm the integrity of the product/accessories. Align the bearing interfaces by gently rotating them to align them with the slot rails. On the other side is the movable part, with a built-in spring. It can be pressed in during installation and matched with the base slot. Install the buckles into the fabric, then place them into the track, on both sides. Insert the connector into the alignment slot, ensuring it is level with the accessory, and make sure all accessories are in place. Operation is consistent on both sides. Begin installing the support components. Here, it needs to be rotated a full circle, ensuring both sides are horizontal and vertical. Note the positions of the clips on both sides. Now you need to insert it into the slot and check both sides to make sure it is properly locked in place. Finally, check if the interfaces on both sides are functioning normally. Test the opening and closing mechanism to check for any jamming or lag. Once confirmed to be working correctly, the installation is complete.